Today in this video we will discuss about the DAX query view in Power BI. So in this video series we will see the DAX, what is DAX query view and various kind of use cases of it. Before starting the video, let me introduce myself. My name is Anmol Malvi and currently I am working as a senior data analyst at Addend Analytics. I have also been recognized as a Microsoft super user and I have also completed Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst Certificate, which is PL300, and Fabric Analytics Engineer Associate Certificate, which is DP600. So now let's directly jump to our video. So earlier we have three views in our Power BI desktop, which is report view, table view and model view. But with the frequent updates, the total number of views has been increased to 5 and two new views has been added. So one is DAX query view and the another one is TMDL view. We have already completed the series for TMDL view. You can check out on our channel. So now in this new series we will cover the DAX query view. So firstly, how you can enable this DAX query view. Some of you might be able to see this, some of you might not be able to see this. What you have to do is you just have to go to this settings icon on the bottom right, or you can simply go to this file section and then you have to go to this options and settings and then you have to click on the options button. This will pop up a new window and you have to go to preview feature, and from here there are so many preview features, so you can search up for the DAX query view and enable it. So as I have already enabled it, we will directly jump to the DAX query view. So this is the interface you will get, and this kind of view you will get when you log into, or you can come to DAX query view. So on the top you will find some tabs, which is file, home, help and external tool. We have the format button. So let's say you have created some DAX measures or you have written some DAX queries. So just by clicking on this format button, your query will get formatted. So you can see there is this query has been changed. Now let's again click on this. As it is already formatted, no change will get applied. Other than that, you can comment out the query whichever has been written on your DAX query view. So in this way you can comment or uncomment. So you can just select. So a demo query has been provided automatically. We'll click on this comment button and you can see this complete query has been commented out. Let's say you want to uncomment this, so just comment on this uncomment button. Now you are able to see the DAX query that this is only of 4 lines, but sometimes you will get the DAX query of 50 lines or 100 lines and you have to find some keywords. So let's say you have to find out about the use of date table. So by clicking on this find button, you can find out the date columns, or let's say if you want to replace the order date by delivery date, then you can use this replace button feature. Apart from it, we have the command palette. So from here you will get to know about the so many shortcuts which are available within the DAX query view. And lastly, we have this Copilot preview. So for this you will need a Power BI premium license. Without it you will not be able to use the Copilot pane, or we can say Copilot feature. So this is about the top pane, the options we get. Other than that, we have the table and models. So we have the table view, in which we get the list of all the tables, and then models, in which we get all the details related to semantic model. Now let's say if you want to explore any measure, so what you can do is you can simply drag and drop it on the screen, or you can simply right click on that and you will get an option of quick queries. So there are various options like evaluate, define and evaluate. So we will discuss this in our upcoming videos. What are them? So let's just simply click on the evaluate button and a new query will get written down on your screen. So let's click on this first. Just cancel this pane so that you can get a clear view. So this is the query we have. Now you can see whenever we click on the new query, a new query get created, and right now the symbol is red. This means there is some error. So let's try to run this and see what is the error. So we will find out more detail. Or what you can do is you can click on the define and evaluate option. So this will define your measures, like what is the measures you have. So these are few options we will discuss in detail in our further videos. Apart from it, let's say you have this query. So we have this top and function. So let's say we have created some changes, we have modified some measures. So you can simply click on this update model with changes button, and those changes will get applied on your semantic model. And apart from it, you will also get a detailed block. So you can see we have to control click, or we can simply click on this follow link button, and this will navigate us to the Microsoft Learn blog, and from here we can learn more about DAX query view. So this is about the basic introduction of the DAX query view, and now moving ahead in the further videos we will see the use cases, and we will see the different functions which are available within the DAX query view. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your colleagues or with your friends. And if you have any doubt, feel free to drop into comments.